Hey guys, so today I am going to be touring one of our beautiful listings out in Sunset Heights. Now this particular property is minutes away from downtown El Paso. It is across the street from UTEP. You can see it right over there. And we're right next to a park. So as you can see, the entire neighborhood just has so much unique charm, which I'm going to be sharing with you in just a few minutes. I'm going to go and also show you the inside of the property. But before I get started with that, this is why I really love making these vlogs. It helps you get a better understanding of the area. It also helps you see what kind of character home you would prefer. There's a lot of people out there that would prefer something that's more mid-century, something more modern, something more Victorian, and El Paso really does have something for every single lifestyle or preference. So with that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions and let's get to it. Now, a fun fact about the area is that most of these properties do not have their own driveways. As you can see in the house in the front, they have to park in the street. But this particular listing that I'm going to be showing you guys, it does have its very own private driveway. And overall, just for those of you that are not familiar with the area, it used to be called the Satterwhite Addition. This was after the developer John Satterwhite. When he began building, that was actually back in the 1880s, and this is really where the neighborhood started forming. Now, he unfortunately lost the land due to some financial reversals and ownership was changed. And in 1901, this is where it officially got its name, Sunset Heights. And it was actually chosen in a local contest, which was run by the El Paso Herald. Now, no street in the neighborhood runs straight for more than 2 blocks. Yes, I know, that's interesting. And the shapes are actually changing. Some of them create rectangles, some of them create diamonds, and some even curves. You're just steps away from downtown El Paso and UTEP, so you get walkability and amenities without sacrificing historic charm. The Sunset Heights Improvement Association works to preserve these houses, especially helping those that need restoration or maintenance support. Residents often say that what draws them here is a sense of community, neighbors that actually know each other, local events in the park, and that warm historic vibe you don't find in new subdivisions. Now look at this beautiful home. I mean, look at the living room area. The space is filled with natural light and ambience that hints at a century of stories. Notice how the walls and moldings retain that vintage charm. Look at this fireplace. I'm obsessed with this fireplace. Everything of the Victorian area was really here. That means moldings, doors, original woodwork. Here are all the rare carved details that were designed to impress. Now, this space here can be used as an office or a bedroom, and the entire house does have refrigerated air. That's a question I get a lot in these areas. Some of them will not have that. This particular bad boy does. So that's a good feature to have, especially here in Texas. And yes, those radiators do work. I just find this entire house so magical. Now, as we continue over to this side, we're going to see this massive kitchen. And the kitchen really has this unique character to it that can be, again, you can update it. You can maybe even move that island to make the kitchen feel more spacious. But everything really does just show a hidden gem that is designed to be a Victorian classic. Now, that door over there actually leads us to the basement, which is fully functional. That is definitely something that I've been asked as well. Hey Alexa, are basements really known in El Paso? And the answer is no, my friend, they're not. In certain areas, they are. So that is definitely something to consider. Now, upstairs, we really have a ton of space. This entire area has been used. So this one in particular actually is a master bedroom. The left side was utilized as an office space that you can just have there for your seating area, maybe your meditations in the morning. And over on this side, you can have your official bedroom set, right? Now, as we continue the rest of the house, you're going to see the bedrooms are really impressive. The space here is great. The wood, like I said, I mean, it's everywhere. The vintage feeling is definitely carrying throughout the entire property. Now, I really want you to pay attention to the crown moldings, the baseboards, the door casings, the trim work. These details is what really distinguishes a true Victorian home. In many vintage homes, those finishes were actually handcrafted or custom molded. Now, as we step outdoors, the entire backyard has been renovated as well. As you can see, this property is sitting in a massive lot. So if you are interested in this particular property or any others in the area, let us know. So this concludes our video for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you or your family are considering relocating to El Paso, my team and I would love to assist you. For those of you that are new to the channel, I'm the real estate team leader that we have here in El Paso. I'm also an investor, so I do have experience in not only helping you buy real estate, but I also do it for myself. And if this is something you're interested in exploring more, send us a message. We would love to have a free consultation with you, and we do also have a relocation guide linked down below, so I hope that's helpful for you. And of course, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.